In today's video, I'll show you how to make $15 by simply watching videos, which is one of the simplest ways to make money online. It's 2022, and if you haven't found a way to make money online while lying in bed, you're missing out on a lot. I'll show you a new platform that rewards you for watching videos, movies, video games, and even comic books. The best part is that you can do everything from the comfort of your own bed, so it shouldn't be too challenging. Simply grab your phone or laptop, relax, and use the website while viewing a video. When you finish a video, the website gives you $15, which isn't much, but it's still fantastic because it's so basic and straightforward. Apart from the fact that it's available internationally, the fact that you can view it on your smart TVs or mobile devices while lying down is fantastic. Let me ask you a question. In your entire life, how many movies have you seen? Do you play a lot of video games? Please tell me in the comment section below. This is significant because the more movies and video games you watch, the more money you will make. Also, I have a special treat for you at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around and watch until the very end. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now let's get started. The first and main platform which we'll be using in order to get free PayPal money just by watching videos is called Animation Arena. This is where we can find different reviews about movies, video games, and even comics. People are giving their feedbacks on this particular blog, forum, or whatever you call it. The most interesting part about this website is that they will actually pay you after you watch a movie or play a video game. So we will be using that feature to earn $15 over and over again. The best thing is that you don't need to invest money and you don't need any experience or special skills to do this. This website accepts people from all over the world. You don't need any writing skills for that because you will not be writing an essay whatsoever. You just need to give an opinion about the movie that you watched. So you can actually watch whatever movie you like on whatever genre you prefer. All you need to do is just watch it whenever and wherever you want, and then you just give your opinion about it on this website and get paid in return. As you can see here, the pay is $15 per review with a maximum of 10 reviews per month, but that is just with one email. If you sign up with multiple accounts, you can obviously make more money. But even if you're only doing 10 video reviews per month, that's already $150 just for watching movies. Now, it's probably something that we always do on a regular basis anyway, because I know we all love watching movies. And what really amazed me is that you can make reviews about movies that you have watched in the past. So these are the rules in making money online with Animation Arena. Each review you submit must consist of at least 550 words, which is not a lot at all. It must be original, so you can't just copy and paste someone else's review. You also have to give your honest opinion about the movie. That's basically all you need to do. At the end of each review, you must rate the material on a scale of 1 to 10. So whatever you feel about the movie, just write it. If you really enjoy the movie or you don't like it, just give your honest opinion, and in return, you will get paid $15 per review. Now, let's say for example that you're done watching a movie and now you want to submit a review. All you have to do is just send an email to this email address right here, arenamaster@animationarena.com. with a subject line, writing for Animation Arena 2011, and then just answer these following questions in your email. So this is how we make money online with Animation Arena. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now here's the special bonus that I've promised you, which is another better and modern way of making money by watching videos online. This is by using the platform Cashkick.com. This is an additional platform that I'd like to share with you in order for you to maximize your income and results. So if you submitted 10 reviews on the previous website, you can make up to $150, but if you want to make more money by simply watching very short videos and not movies, you can use Cashkick. As you can see here, cash is the greatest reward, which is their maxim. We'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online, such as watching videos and surfing the web. Imagine how easily you can get paid by doing those. You can also answer surveys if you want to make more money, but it's not what we'll be focusing on today. As you can see right here, you can get paid directly to your PayPal account, which is great, especially for online transactions. Cashkick is absolutely free and will always stay free. You don't need to invest any money whatsoever. You can start with $0 with this method. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you watch short and entertaining videos. Second, watch the earnings grow in your account. And third, you cash out early, easily, and often. The best part is that Cashkick offers the lowest payout thresholds on the market. They deposit your money quickly, securely, and conveniently, starting at just $5. So all you need is just $5 in your account in order to cash out. You don't need $100, you don't need $500 as a minimum, you just need $5 and you can withdraw your money instantly. What's also great about this is that you can do this on your smartphone or on your computer. You can do this while laying on your bed or sitting on your couch. Whatever you're doing, you can make money. It's that easy. Now, although this method is easy, you'll only be able to make an extra couple of dollars, but even if it's just a couple of bucks, it'll eventually add up and all you need is a few minutes and an internet connection. This can be anywhere in the world. I mean, there's no real work for you because you're only watching videos which you don't even need to actively watch. Just press the play button and leave the video playing in the background so you can do something else while cash rolls into your account. To get started, go to Cashkick.com or use their app and just sign up for a free account. To do so, enter your email address, choose a password, and then just click Get Started Now. It's as simple as that. After doing so, you will be able to open the feature where you can watch videos and in return, you'll get paid per video that you play. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.